California.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Scare Rider Collective YouTube channel. This video hopefully isn't going to be too long, but I got some news. So that's what this video is going to be. It's going to be an update about some things, some different things coming to the channel, and I'll explain why these things are happening. So as of today, we've officially hit 2,000 subscribers. So I want to thank each and every one of you guys that have commented, liked, shared, and especially subscribed to the Scare Rider Collective YouTube channel. Like I said, it is free to subscribe. It is free to comment. It is free to like. It's free to do all those things. And the most important thing that you guys can do, what it does when you guys like and comment the videos, it leaves engagement. That engagement pushes the content out to other people that may like it as well. So in return, when you guys do those things, as well as subscribing, it helps the channel out a lot. So to all 2,000 of you guys that have subscribed and helped the channel grow to be this strong, I just want to say thank you. I made a community post, but I know a lot of you guys watch on the TV, so you may not see the community post that I do make. So what are the big changes that you might be asking when it comes to the channel? Well, since we got 2,000 subscribers, the missus said we can actually hire an employee. So you know how all the big YouTubers have film crews and editors? Well, she said since we got 2,000 subscribers that we can hire somebody to help us out when it comes to the channel. So thank her. So I'll introduce you guys to the new employee. All right, here's his little stand here. All right. All right, this is the new creative director when it comes to the channel. So as a creative director, he's in charge of all the videos now. He's going to think of all the ideas. So if you don't like a video, you got to blame this guy. Maybe I'll have to find somebody else to hire. But, you know, he seemed qualified. He has this fancy hat, you know, artist hat, you know. So he's supposed to be creative. So, you know, I figured he'd be good as on the team as the creative director. Maybe occasionally he'll be behind the scenes painting up some cars. Who knows? But thank you guys for helping the channel reach to 2,000 subscribers. Hopefully we can continue to grow more as it comes closer to being the new year of 2026. We've accomplished a lot this year in 2025 and when it comes to the channel, and I'm really thankful for everybody that's here on the channel that has subscribed and commented and everything. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little news update. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.